Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. There could be times when giving orders to someone is necessary. In Filipino, there are also some common verbs that are used to give a command. Just be sure to use them at a minimum. You can always add paki to make them polite. Let's start with Bilis. This could translate to do it fast or make it fast. Bilis. 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 Kain na tayo, bilis. Pakibilisan po, ate. Pakibilisan po, kuya. Salamat. Abot. This could mean reach. Abot. 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 Pakiabot po. Pakiabot po, kuya. Pakiabot po, ate. Salamat. Bigay. This could translate to give or gift or present in English. Bigay. 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 Pakibigay po sa kanya. Pakibigay po kay ate. Pakibigay po kay kuya. The next one is balik, which could mean go back or come back. Balik. 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 Balik ka doon. Pakibalik po. Pakibalik po sa driver. The last one is lagay. This could mean please put something if used with paki. Lagay. 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 Pakilagay po sa kama. Pakilagay po sa mesa. Pakilagay na lang po dito mamaya. These are just some of the most common root words that you can use when giving orders or asking favors during your stay in the country. Don't forget to add paki to be polite. Let's practice. Do it fast or make it fast. Bilis. This means reach. Abot. Give or gift or present. Bigay. Go back or come back. Balik. To put something. Lagay. I hope you find them helpful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.